Alright, greetings from the Denver, Colorado Micro Center. Probably my favorite store to go in. It's heaven on earth. Okay, regardless, there's a car wash right next to it, so resorting to backup plans. This is one of the washes I never plan to film, but since I'm here, I'm gonna do it, and it looks like a Washworld system of some sort. I make the turn. I don't think so. Not quite. Pretty sure it's a razor. I think at one point this might have been a 360, also not sure. It's at a Phillips 66. Yeah, card only, so I can't use my quarters yet still. I've tried using my quarters for so long and I still can't. Dash cam's still going, so 9, a 13, and a 15.
Please insert payment now. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Yep, razor. I'll make up for the one I didn't get earlier today. Someone just pulled up behind me now. See, this is number 298, I think. That sign, I want to read that out loud. Attention customer, if door doesn't open, wait for cycle to be 100% complete, which is common sense, but also it says, step out of car by exit door, press open button. Please let employee inside know of issue. That would be really funny if that happened. And with the dryers being on, that would be really loud too. If we have to do that, that'll definitely be on camera. Also, let me know what you guys think of dashcam plus phone recording combo compared to dashcam and my other camera. Honestly, I still don't know why in the middle of summer our car wash store is like closed. Spot free. Oh, good. It's still spraying right here. It's still... Even though those blue timers are usually pretty easy to read, this one's like completely illegible. Premier dryers, these are doing better than average. Usually these suck. Can't read anything. It's not even displaying anything, I don't think. Still seemed like a pretty solid wash, so. Alright. Well, I'll have to see what this replaced, but thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it. Why are you like parked right here, right next to the exit? At least there's room to get out.